Yes, she's the prettiest one on this street tonight. Everybody's trying to hit her on a butt. You know what the thing is?
Yeah.
She's loyal.
Yes.
You're nothing like Max's girlfriend. She was a
What was her name?
huh?
उसका नाम क्या था?
Atif. Hey. My favorite song. चल चाहिए. Bro, have you heard about the kidnapping at school?
Yeah, bro. I mean,
क्या
no.
हुआ? No?
Sorry, I forgot the script again.
The kid just woke up. Laugh. Alright guys, रात को एकदम से आइसक्रीम खाने की भूख लगी है और 10 मिनट में मैकडॉनल्ड बंद हो रहा है. You guys know him already. Like मैकडॉनल्ड बंद होने वाला है in about 11 minutes from now. Let's see if we can make it or not.
खबरा देन भी ना आइसक्रीम.
हाथ छोड़ गाड़ी चलाता हूँ मैं. Hello?
Oh my god.
What happened?
I just said we're closed at the moment.
Are you guys closed at the moment?
Yeah.
Oh
Well,
my
that's at 7.
god, but it's only 3:50.
Huh?
It's just 3:50. You guys usually close at 4.
Sorry?
You guys usually close at 4. It's just 3:50. 10 minutes left.
Oh, we're closed right now, not at 4.
Oh, it's a sad day. Such a sad morning.
I hate these lazy waiters.
You're lazy.
Huh?
You're lazy. भाई हम करने जा रहे हैं व्लॉग और हेनरी को रास्ते में जोर पड़ गया.
Oh no.
पट्टी का.
कि पैते नाल 40 मिनट्स का रास्ता रहता है. आपको आ रही है?
मुझे नहीं आ रही यार, मैं नहीं करता हूँ. मुझे गंदी बातें पसंद नहीं है. मैं पहले छोटा तो करता था, उसके बाद मुझे पापा ने समझाया दिस इज बैड बेटा. Then I stopped taking. Show me some magic. What's the best trick? What's the best trick?
If you see me, you have seen the Father. He is the revelation.
What did you got from her?
The Bible says that
What is
he
this? I don't see anything, bro.
God. Jesus Christ is
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was a trick? Whoa! Ho, ho, ho! Oh my God! But today, इस वीडियो का मकसद है मैंने अपने लिए ढूंढी है गर्लफ्रेंड.
And now, here's a word from our sponsor.
And this video is brought to you guys by the one and only Urban Islamic Apparel. They just sent me this very beautiful Kafiya pattern salam hoodie. And for those of you who don't know, Kafiya is a representation of solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Palestine. And every item that is sold on Urban Islamic Apparel, $5 will be donated to Palestine through HCI Canada. So let's all come together and support this brand to help our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Click the link in the description to buy yours today. मुझे मेरे माँ पापा ने कहा था कहते बहू जो ढूंढनी है दुनिया की किसी भी कोने से होनी चाहिए.
Don't touch the ball, it's over. Call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came to
a narrow path.
A few moments later.
And he's trying to make out with this. उनकी क्या नाम है? बुत.
American.
वो क्या कहते हैं? American? प्यार मोहब्बत. This is what I want, but I'm not. I don't know why, bro. I'm so sad.
भाई तेरा कैमरा बहुत फुद्दू है.
मैं खींच रहे हैं फोटो. लाइक करो जाके. Here's my Instagram. कभी मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश भूल जाता हूँ. So I'm still single. शायद मेरे इसमें कपड़ों का कसूर है, लेकिन आप लोग कमेंट करके बताओ इसमें मेरे कपड़ों का कसूर है, क्योंकि मैं तो अपने दिमाग में ऐसे बन गया कि मैं आज बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लग रहा हूँ, but ना I feel like there's something wrong and I don't even know what's wrong, but something's definitely wrong over there. क्या हो गया? Is he Henry? Oh लगता है बेहोश. Henry! भाई लोगों की डिमांड आई थी कहने किथे खो गया था तू?
मैं वो करने लग गया था.
की करना? स्मगलिंग? स्मगलिंग करने लगा. This guy likes you. He told me.
Hey, stop.
What do you mean stop? Bro, it's okay to express your feelings.
No? I like men, I told you already.
Oh my, he's into boys. Sorry. Have you seen one shoe like this? Cause someone, oh my god, someone stole my shoe.
Really?
Yeah, I was eating my food.
Slipper go, bro.
Huh?
How come you're not wearing shoes outside? You know it's cold.
I know, but someone. Oh, what just happened? Oh my god. Who hit me? Brother, can you help me?
I'll take you to the hospital.
Someone hit me in my head.
Okay, let's go.
Was it you?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, it was not you? Let me show you guys a trick. See this? I'm gonna make it disappear. Everybody. That's a good trick, I guess. Finally, after 2 hours of struggle, किसी को कुछ नहीं मिला. हेनरी भी अपने घर चला गया वापस और मैंने भी अपने कपड़े चेंज कर लिए, even though कि मैं पहले ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. But comment below if you guys think I look sick, bro. And I feel like it was just not a very lucky day. जैसे कि ये लड़की खड़ी होंगे फंस जावे, दिख रही है दोनों. मेरे पास फंस जाओ प्लीज. मेरे पास फंस जाओ प्लीज. ऐसे तो हर कलम दाइंदा कुड़ी फंस देनी. You're very beautiful. You are very beautiful. वैसे इसका मतलब कुछ और होता है. Do you want my number? What? Okay. 6, 4, 7.
The next day.
So wait. What? So yesterday we were out for the whole day trying to pick up some random लड़कियां जो कि अच्छी बात नहीं, but मैं शरारती हूँ इसलिए ऐसा चलता है. But हमें कोई नहीं मिला, and then we decided to go home. Henry अपने घर चला गया. And when I was on my way to work, I saw this girl at Starbucks and she gave me her number, bro. And wait, it doesn't stop here. Today, एक random number से मुझे एक message आया है. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Oh my god, voice message चले रहा था उसको. But yeah, here, look, take a look. It says hey with a coffee emoji, and now I'd like to assume that she's the girl, and I am very happy, and I really don't know how to feel about this, because all I want to say is just never give up, even though it was a very stupid idea. But yeah, it worked, you know. And also I've uploaded a story on my Instagram that what should I call or name you guys, and you guys came up with So Gang won. So from now on, you guys are the So Gang, and we're about to get lit. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Look at the cuteness over here. Like nothing can compare this beautiful boy. I look like this basically. Guys, subscribe to me. I do the weirdest shit on the planet, please.